This time we're going to work on winding down low. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Roxanne and welcome to part 3 of my how to whine your waist tutorials. So in the first one we covered how to whine standing up. The second part, how to whine with your hands on your knees. In this part I'm going to show you how to whine down and how to hold it down just like this. And then finally how to bring it up. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, stay tuned in this video and I'm going to show you right how. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to whine it down. Now for my beginner friends, especially if you're struggling with balance or you have like slightly weaker knees, feel free to do this by a wall or like by your something, just something near you that you can hold on to for support. So you can focus really on whining your waist and then you can let go, like kind of let go of the training wheels when you're more comfortable. So for your stance, you're going to stand with your feet hip width apart. You don't want them to be too wide or also too close. Then you haven't really got enough motion in the waistline to go down. And for when you go down, you can either have your heels in line with the toes, like so, or you can bring your heels together, but have a slight gap in between, kind of like you're in first position, but like not, because our turnout is not that wide. Okay, so to get into the actual winding down, I'm going to show you from the side so you can see how my heels, my knees, and my waistline are working together to get this. Now before I get into this move, because we are playing with levels, it's going to involve a lot of core strength, and also because we're going down, it's going to involve a lot of quad strength. So don't do this passively. You want this to be an active movement, because then it's going to be a lot easier for you and you're not going to get injured. It's just not going to be as painful and it's going to look a lot more fluid. So really like engage your core, use those muscles. Don't just like go down unless you are like that advanced, you can do it. But even if you are advanced, you're using your muscles, So enough talking. Let me show you how to do this. So I'm starting with my feet a bit wide and hip width apart, and I'm going to start whining. Just whining around, Now to go down, I want to lift my heels and bend my knees at the same time. Because if I was just to lift my heels, it's not going to do anything, So I need to lift and bend slowly at the same time, So we're going to do that together with the whine. So you're going to whine. Da, 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 da. That's the music. Da, 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 da. And you're going to go down. Slow. 2, 3, 4. Also for your hands, don't forget, you can like hold onto your upper legs if you want. Don't hold onto the knees because you don't want to put too much weight on your knees. Hold onto your upper legs for stability, or to your wall, or to your little support system for balance, So again, hands above the knees, and we're going to whine down, Whine it slow, lift the heels, bend the knees, keep the back straight, engage your core, use those quads, and you're down, just like that. It's really important that you keep your back nice, straight, upright, open that chest out. Don't be like hunched when you do this because it's not cute. You really want your waistline to be nice and loose, and also you want a nice cute arch in the back, So, last time, feet wider than hip width apart, hands on the upper thighs or on your wall, and keep that back nice and straight, upright, and you're gonna wind down. Bend those knees, bring up those heels, keep it nice and controlled, use those muscles, and then we're down, and we're here. And now we've made it to the second part of the tutorial. Da, da, da. And now you're down here, and now we're gonna figure out how to whine in a low squat. So if you watch the first 2 parts, then you should already know about the 4 points that was mentioned when you whine. You want to whine round in a circle, hitting the front, the right, the back, and the left, But the first thing you want to do when you're whining down low, same when you go down, keep the back upright, Hands on your legs, not your knees. And lastly, you want to lift your butt off your ankles. Don't rest your butt on your ankles like I am here, because you haven't got enough range in the hips to whine around. You need to lift, And that's where the quads and the knees start to hurt. I'm already starting to feel the pain as we speak, but I'm going to push through, So I'm going to take my waist, and I'm going to whine it round. Now this one is going to be a bit smaller than when we are standing up, but I'm just going to go around. So I'm doing it like really slowly just to show you the basic move. It's not looking as fluid as it should do, but you're going to go around. I'm going to show you what that looks like from behind as well. so you can really see going round. Yeah, really important to have this space in between your butt and your heels and your ankles. And yes, wind it around. Keep it nice and controlled. Use that core. And oh, I need to get up because my knees are burning. Okay, I'm back. So, that was the first one. I'm going to show you again just one more time from behind as well so you can really see my waistline going round. Yep, lifting off your heels. Make sure you got that space. Engage your core, engage your quads, and wind round. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yeah? Now, there's actually another wind that you can do while you're in a low squat. It's actually a lot easier than that one. And also it has a nicer motion to it. So if you did my previous video, you saw the dolphin whine. And that is where we whine with our, you take your knees and you make circles going inwards. You bring them in, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to take this one and we're going to do this down in a low squat too. So all the same positioning applies, yeah? Keep that back upright, engage your abs, lift your booty off your heels, and it's going to look cute. I'm going to show you from the side, yeah? So this time you can put your hands on your knees just for guidance though. Don't rest your weight there, yeah? And you're gonna go around. 2, 3, 4. So every time you open the knees, you push forward, close it, bring it back. Open, push forward, close, bring it back, yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna show you what that looks like from behind as well. So you get the full effect. So I'm opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, yeah? And you could go slow or you can speed it up. Yeah, whatever you want. Yes, yes. So again, from the beginning, yeah? I'm going to show you how we put all those moves together. So I'm standing up. Remember your posture. Keep that back upright, engage your core, and let's go. We're going to wind it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep it down. 5, 6, 7. Then you dolphin whine. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Now we want to bring it back up. So you're going to do the reverse of how you got down. Yeah, this is where the knees really start to burn and the quads and everything, because you've done all this work down here. Depending on how long you stay down here for, really like the final push is to come up, and you're going to be so grateful when you do it. Sometimes I come up and I make it seem like it's all smooth through, but then I'm like, oh, thank you Jesus, I made it. So you're going to see what I mean. Yeah, so imagine you've done your whine. And without whine, I'm going to show you what you're going to do with your knees and your feet, yeah? You're going to push your body up. Push, 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 and come down onto your heels. Yeah, so you're just going to extend your knees and then bring your heels flat onto the ground. Yeah, keeping the back upright, the core engaged, and using those quads. Yeah, so let's apply that to our whine. Imagine we're winding down. And we're going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because we're already up anyway. And I'm sure you also felt like this sharp pain in your knees as you came up. Don't worry, that is normal. The pain, honestly, for me, I've been doing this a long time now, it never goes away. You just fight through the pain, yeah? Because when you're in the zone, the music is playing, like, you don't even feel it, and everyone's there like, ah, look at her! So you're just like, ah! And then you don't even care about the pain anymore. So again, one more time. You're down and you're whining. Let's do the dolphin whine this time. And I'm gonna come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm up. And that is it. That is literally all the moves I want to show you in this tutorial. So thank you for following. But let me go over it again from the beginning one more time. So you're standing up. Whew, let me just shake up my knees before I get into that because, woo! All right, yeah, so you're up. Remember your stance, feet hip width apart. You can bring those heels in or you can open them out. Keep that back upright, core engaged. Get ready to work those quads, and we're gonna go down, lifting the heels and bending the knees simultaneously. Go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're down, 6, 7, 8, dolphin whine, go, 1, 2, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, we come up, 7, 8, wind it up, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last was a little freestyle, but hopefully now after the tutorial you know how to go down, stay down, and bring it back up. Yeah, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for tuning in to this tutorial.